in the heart of the people, a power that lies and lies not in the right to vote, but in saying out loud that your thought has clear worth. Without it, words are empty silence. Without it, the strength of the majority fades. Democracy without empty silence. Without it, the strength of the majority fades. Democracy, the foundation of freedom, protects our rights, thoughts, and nations. Where people choose, hope grows there. Everyone matters, every voice is hope. In every voice the future shines. Together we walk a path without evil. The sound of democracy, gentle yet strong, reminds the world that things can be different, that rights bloom where we are peace. Free people in perfect harmony.
Մովսես խորենացու անվան սիրելի դպրոց, դու գիտելիքի անսասան ամրոց, տարիներ թերթած, պատմություն կերտած, գիտության ամրոց, հարազատ դպրոց. Սիրելի մեր ուսուցիչներ, մորպես միջներող, մորպես ժպտերես, ու քանի դեռ կաք դուք ուսուցիչներ, դար է դար կապրի հայ դպրոցը մեր. Dar capri, hai de proță Dare dar capri, haide broță mer, haide broță mer.
We are the cry of independence. Biz inançlıyız hep birlikte. We become Air Force United. Çok güçlüyüz biz birlikte. Raise your voice, let freedom sing. In every note that hope growing. Hearts united, strong and true. Democracy in all we do. We are the voice of democracy. Biz demokrasi sesleriyiz. A nation hands up, heart to heart. Gönül gönüle yarınlar bizim. In every heartbeat, arrow is born. Bir yenidir her kalp atışı. No